Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make aquafaba from garbanzo beans. But first of all, I wanted to thank all the people that have helped me out. And if you do want to help out the channel, you have a link down below and you can buy me a coffee, and I will really appreciate it if you do that. Thanks. So let's begin. So I have sprouted garbanzo beans. Down below I have a link on how to do that. I'm gonna use my Instapot. If you have a normal pressure cooker or a normal pot, you can still cook them like that. That's not important. The important thing is that we cook the garbanzos. So we're gonna just cover the garbanzos, not too much water, because if you add too much water, you need more pressure, and that's not what we want. We want enough just to cover them. We're gonna cook them on high heat for 3 minutes. Yes, in 3 minutes they will be done. They will be perfect. They won't be mushy. They be perfect even for like hummus or whatever you want to do with your garbanzos. And once they are done, I like to strain them right when they are done. And so we're gonna put a bowl under and we are gonna strain the garbanzos like that. You have to make sure that when you do this, you remove all the water, because if you don't, the garbanzos do get a little bit slimy. So just make sure that you remove all the water. And once we have all the water there, this is the famous aquafaba that you can use as an egg replacement. You'll see in other videos. I wanted to show you first this. So we're gonna let it cool off, and we're gonna freeze it. And I just take a few tablespoons. I just want to make sure here, this is the texture that you want to see on your aquafaba. This is completely cool off. Like, I think it took like a couple of hours, but that's what we're looking for. And then I'll just freeze it. If you don't want to freeze it because you don't have enough, you can have it in your fridge for up to 5 days. After that, it starts getting like yucky. You can also do it with pinto beans or any other beans. It works perfect. I have here, I'm trying to show you, but my camera is not getting the shot, but anyways. And with the rest of the garbanzos, we're gonna wash them to remove the leftover aquafaba, and you can have this with water in a jar, clear water, and you can have this in your fridge for around 2 weeks. Perfectly fine. You can make salads, hummus, whatever you want, and they will be perfect. Now, if you don't want to do that, just rinse them, right? And you can freeze them. You can freeze them for around, this will last like 1 or 2 months. It depends. I eat them fairly a lot, and so you just freeze it and they'll be fine. They'll be perfect. So with the garbanzo beans, you can make merengue, so it's really cool. I will probably have more videos with that. I just wanted to show you how to do the aquafaba. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now!